What's up, dude?
Not much yourself.
Man, just stacking bread, stacking bread, making all this money. Like I said, a genuine top-notch guy. What you do to all your bread? God, bro, I don't have no burgers. I'd have to. Oh my God. So we. Yeah, it's not happening. It's not happening. Nah. There you go. I like I'm gonna throw up, bro. I can't do it like you, man. You're a legend.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, you gotta fill your gut up by just keep swallowing and swallowing and swallowing.
I can't do it past a certain limit. Yes. That's good stuff, my boy. I appreciate that. Life lessons.
Hey.
Hey.
Do you want to know a snowman?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I swallowed air until my gut was full.
That was impressive.
Yeah. That was actually hell good. I ain't gonna lie, that. Goddamn. Fuck, I can't even do that. You hold that bitch in. Dude, you're gonna make yourself throw up. What the fuck? I can taste it. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. I need to get that shit out of my mouth.
But